As Katim they talk relationship Friday in case you just join us. And we they discuss wetin be the best way to take for break up with person when it be say don't they engaged to marry. You know what? You don't see some kind of way you know like about the person. How you go take break up? If you be the man, if you be the woman, how you go take break up? Stanley from Abuja come call. Say you go carry the girl go out.
You buy a flower.
You buy a flower.
He shut up, you go sing them song.
You go call praise. Call the
sing.
May call sing for that. Now as we not dead way, again now God the win. As we one break up, now God the win.
The one way even treat me past, we say, they go sit down for park, maybe holding hands, say,
you can say, baby, Siam, baby. You see, you're the best thing that ever happened to my life.
Oh.
Yeah, I love you, die. But I unlove you now. This is the car gift.
Just take
Stanley,
it.
in fact, Moku first Twitter. And Stephen and just say, now to arrange the bed, go and find Joyce. After you don't spoil her, then tell her, say, baby, this is the last supper.
That's it.
I got it.
Chris Otoka says, Stanley, now song you they sing. Talk the real thing. You want still wipe the same girl after breakup?
Chai. And then Ned God will say, August Stanley from Abuja, talk for pigeon job. And then my brother they do, you know, is you, my own pastor help me. Now waiting Sunday, Obadiah. Talk. Continue, my dear.
He say, Odekunle say, na to tell and say broken relationship is better than broken marriage. Come sound like Pastor Yanye. He say you don't think I'm well, and that's the best option. Bidassel say highlight the great time you don't get with them and have exception una day as individuals make them realize the importance of marriage. I want also what's that?
Bedazzle, call bedazzling.
And Emily say Oga Nedu and Madam Katim for my own case. I just reduce the communication and God help me cut them off.
Hello, Kenneth. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
2 weeks to marry.
I'm fine.
My brother, talk your own for this our topic to discuss.
Okay. Well, the matter of the small thing. No be small thing. No be small.
No mind Stanley. Is it you carry and go joint?
Buy a flower.
It go day easier because it don't happen to my friend.
Okay.
He just pursued the girl. Like say, as he said the girl chaff or something. Just tell the girl say you know do again.
Hey.
The girl can't they feel bad. Come cause of.
If you carry and go church.
Say because you dumped me. Say you go beg food for this Lagos. And now the guy, the guy they beg food now. The guy they beg food now. So it's not day easy. It's not day easy. You know day easy. I go tell you. But the only way to go about it is at least be truthful to her.
Yes.
Just call her, tell her, say, baby, please, see, these are these behaviors that you are, that means that you get when me no like.
But she go say she go change them now for you.
You go to drag.
She go say she go to argue, say she fit change them.
Yes, she fit.
Because of you.
He go tell him, say, I don't try, because if the guy thought say he don't see those things, because one thing in life is this: nobody is perfect. Nobody is perfect. There are things where somebody go to do. If you don't like them, tell the person, say, I don't like this, I don't like this. If the person continue, then you now have the mind, say, baby, please, I don't want to do again. I don't tell you about all these things, and you don't want to stop them. So the thing no agree me. So I think these are the best thing what the guy go do. The guy go first meet the girl, tell him, see this is what they do.
Yes.
See him. Make her help you. More see whether you go stop him. If you not try, it no stop. At least if he tell the girl say no do again, at least the girl go understand say.
Now she not try.
So I think this to me this is how I go take job.
Kenneth, you make sense.
Kenneth, you make sense. You make sense. Well,
Yes.
thank you. God bless you. One now. God bless you.
If you be woman, also call us to make you tell us
But
how
you know, say to break up with woman, now it hard pass.
Yes,
For woman to break up with man, it is easier. But
How?
for man to break up with woman, now it hard pass.
How?
You know see what you can talk so now? Now woman then go break up with you, the guy go naked. This my naked body.
When you don't peruse.
Where you don't peruse. Where you don't browse. You don't print. You don't laminate. I use and swear for you. It not go better for you for this life. Now which man you never hear Now, which man you never hear go naked, go for junction? Which man you never hear say they break up with me, go junction?
They not go do that one, but man go, you know, say, they
He go spoil the man mentality of how you go to. Anyway, we'll take this call. Lakule, good evening from Kwara.
Hello, Oganedi.
Good evening, my brother. How is you?
There, Auntie Captain.
Sudman, I don't hear. Good evening.
Yes.
Boss, good evening, sir.
Hello.
Yeah, hey, boss. Hey, Baba.
Olakule, I beg chook mouth for this matter.
Okay. I go tell them professional and emotional way now.
Professional.
I go tell them in the professional and emotional way.
Yeah, explain yourself.
What be the professional way?
I don't know.
I beg. Just say kindly. I don't do it. I be.
That be the professional way. My brother, you know say they keep people. You know say.
What's the emotional way?
So is it not be the professional way?
The emotional way.
Okay, what of the emotional way?
Without it. I have been taking this too long. This actually not the correct way.
No, you can't do that to me. It means that you are seeing somebody else. You cannot. I won't allow you do this. After all we have been through together.
Ask Olakule whether I don't marry.
You don't marry.
I don't marry though. I don't marry.
Before you marry, you not promise anybody say you go marry and come say.
Lie. Only my wife.
Why you come be like say?
Now make you don't know. Now make you don't know how they say they break up. So your professional say, I know they do again. And they are emotional. I know they do again. You know we've been through a lot. But I know they do again. Olakule, thank you, Joe. That your way now die. Some people they die from Daniel from Bayelsa, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
How you doing, my brother?
I do. Nedu, how you doing now?
We dey fine, all of us dey. Abeg, put your own mouth for this talk.
But a very simple thing, you know. If not me, the thing happen to, I will just plan with two of my friends, one girl, one boy. Tell the girl say, maybe I have meet for one hotel. Maybe the boy tell my babe where I supposed to tell. Say me we break up. Say me she come. Say I dey cheat on her. Say me she come jam us for the place. Say me I dey cheat on her. So I should just come jam us. Only she go just use her hand break up myself.
What if she tell you say, oh,
I forgive you.
Daniel!
I forgive you.
Daniel, you will make me fall. If not for the love I has for you, if not for the love I has, but Daniel, I forgive you.
I know she don't go forgive me.
You can see your Daniel go say, no forgive me, no forgive me.
I'm a chronic cheater.
I'm a you say Daniel go tell us say, not really this one, no.
I go tell her say that plenty, say that TV, you know my body.
So you believe say that to set them up be the main thing?
Now to just plan her move, make she just.
But then that one, you good, but you don't get bad name.
Anyway, my brother, bad name. Anyway, Daniel, thank you. Chioma from Ogun State. Good evening.
Bad name is not a bad marriage.
Chioma.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, my sister. How is you?
I find past you.
We know. I now. If now, well, now you be woman now. How you go to do your own?
Well, if not me, to break up in relationship, good path to break up in marriage.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because if eventually they get married.
How you go take do your own?
Okay, I go take you my own because it didn't happen to me before.
You break up with person.
I found out say the guy they do some kind things. Now I can't call him. I can't call him and say I won't see you. You know there is now I can't call him and say, see you, this thing no fit work between two of us. It's not very easy, but maybe you tell him your mind. Sure you understand?
Yeah, so you are the breaker, not the breaky.
How we been take the breakup?
Another is everything.
How in take the breakup?
He go feel sad now, but when you just tell her your mind, you go know what you do, you go understand. When you tell her, you no go feel happy, but you go tell her say, see this thing no go feel work. This is not even happen to my brother-in-law. Maybe 3 days to or 4 days to the time we go do paying bride price to the girl. Now the girl say make her no come again. They no want again. It's not very easy. But it better say they break up for the relationship than to go enter marriage. They can't break up for the marriage.
And the guy don't save money.
And the guy don't
spend some money.
Don't spend some money.
He don't spend some money now. He don't buy phone, buy everything for the girl. I don't know what the girl can't see. Maybe 3 days to 4 days to the where they go do a bride price. She said me they no come again. Say she no want do again. So So it better she take talk am like that, say she no want do it again. Now when they enter when they don't go outside, they don't wear it, they don't pay a bride price. You want to show they marry again. That one a shame now.
Anyway,
So
Chama, thank you.
Herself.
Thank you.
Oh, you too. Thank you. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, thank you. I like that.
Bye.
Best. Just from Wari, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
My brother, Wari on the carry last.
Yes, and what they talk through.
What did they talk to? Joseph, how you go take your own?
Oh, my guy, that's small thing now. If the two feel like your Jones, you go just clear out waiting there.
You're clear at one time.
Now, what for you? Even if you did say the line, then all those kind of crucial ones there. Well, we say the mind did their back. And I simple thing now. You go just let her know, say, Bob, see the matters the way you they do. All this matter, okay, you sleep with one guy for them, and I'm my guy. Okay. How you expect me to go marry a person like you? Let me say you go sleep with my guy too now.
Okay, what if she
so no
what? Yeah, okay, what if she not sleep with person and you don't see something where you not like about her? Character-wise.
At least you feel mention the thing when I not like about her.
You go mention nothing not like not be you the breakup.
If you do something, well, like say that character not like that character at all. I go clear and say, see, call where you. This character where you do so, now to fear. You know understand? Then if you do him again the second time, you go still call him my go that level, say see call. This your character, I declare you. Once you just try and make the third door, I'm gonna do now for you. Now let her go.
My God!
The guy by G.
Jojo! What in the Kailas? Good night, Joe.
Nah, they tell you say, they always talk through.
Ben from London. Good evening.
Hey, good evening, Nedu. How you doing now?
I did fine. How you doing, my brother?
We tell you.
Sorry, I just wanted to just contribute a little bit to what you guys are talking about. Very sensitive issue.
Thank you.
Well, first of all, hi, Nedu. Hi, Katim. Hi, Izzy.
Hi.
The most important thing I think that is relevant here is that whoever decides to break up needs to first pray. He needs to first commit everything into the hands of God. That God, I have taken this decision that I have to, you need to pray. And now put that, tell God to take control of the atmosphere when you are going to break that news to her, for God to take control. Okay. That is the first thing I think that is most important. Secondly, it depends on the type of person you are dealing with. Wow. Then you have to then plan the atmosphere. That the atmosphere that will fit the breaking of the news, how you are going to break the news. You have been dating this person, so therefore there are nuggets. There are things that you have seen in that person's life that will give you indication of how to handle the issue. Create right environment in order for you to break the news. Okay, so these are the two sides. These are the two things I just wanted to contribute. Other people have spoken very well, and generally, I just hope that this person in mind, my prayer goes out to him, and my wishes goes out to him, that God will help him to control the environment, so that the girl will, whoever is going to receive the message, will receive that message in understanding, and him also, when he's breaking the message, he has to be in a mindset of empathy as well, because he needs to understand that he too he has taken her on a ride as well. So yeah, this is my own contribution though.
Ben, thank you. Nice one. Nice contribution. Nice contribution. I don't know where. Hello, Joy, good evening.
Lady, good evening.
How are you? Joy!
Hey, Joy!
Hi, Joy!
Lady, how are you today?
Jesus. The way they ask me, how are you today? My sister, I'm fine.
Okay, I called yesterday. My phone went off yesterday.
You don't get credit yesterday, we know.
Okay, Nedu, it has happened to me before anyways.
Okay. Are you the breaker or the breaky?
No, my boyfriend broke up with me.
Oh, you are the breaky?
Yeah, I'm the breaky. He said he decided to cut the connection himself.
Okay, Napa.
Just like that, he broke up with me.
Wasn't being reason?
That the connection, the distance was too far, just Lagos to Abuja.
Oh, that one is understandable.
Just to Abuja?
Just Lagos to Abuja. It's a long distance. My sister.
No,
for Lagos,
yeah.
Person where they island, a person they Ikorodu. It's a long distance relationship. Contact a person where they Lagos and Abuja. That one is a
But maybe if I want to break up, Sha, what I would do is I will tell you pop and plain I am no longer interested, period.
No, you're not going to give reason.
I go tell her that it's not just a workout, it's not just working out, you know?
Girls, it's very easy for them to say.
And it says it's sweet for your mouth.
It's not just working out.
It's not just working out. I'm not doing it again.
Yeah, I do. Like right now, I'm telling you, I'm no longer interested. Duh.
Hey, my sister, I'll get one. You has this hand. Good night. You losing against a wicked pass.
I tell you.
No. It's just maybe not the way she put her English.
See, the funny thing, when most of the time, when guys go break up with girls, the reason that they fear these people now when they talk, say, small thing now, I gotta start and say, I don't do it again. Because the reason is, if you break up with girl, when it be like, say, she not put her mind, she don't believe you finish. She go date devastated and go, it go affect the rest of her life.
The rest of her life, not be saying it go fit.
Yes.
Always
first of all, she go for rebound, enter the wrong hand, go marry the wrong person. It's crazy.
And most times it happen to all these girls or ladies that used to have just one boyfriend.
So what did they try to
The girls when they get more than one boyfriend, you don't use a break up with those ones because if you say I break up with you, you say, oh no, that's fine. It's
no, you can go. You're even number 15. My brother break up. You're number 17. Say go.
It's not a problem. I buy. You're gonna miss me.
No. You know, say some girls way bad. They go cry. No, you can't do this to me. John, I've done the photocopy and the laminating. No. Then John will come go.
You will call her friend. Hello.
The people don't go. The fool for the fool man, I break up me. No, only and take. And then contact Twitter. Uche Chuku Steven say, please, who sing that song? Now, David Kanji.
Infinity. Which one?
David of Infinity.
David Infinity.
Now, David of Infinity. Just tell her, say, baby, make we share Gary. I get pastoral calling. She go understand, say, na God way. And then the JKC Lemon say, there is no easy way to break person's heart.
Yes.
It depends on the situation. Ken, been young correct. Nice one. Yeah, Ken, young correct. I agree.
And then, say, truth is, you don't fall into marriage. You walk in continuously. You can't marry based on sentiment. I do a forever thing.
And then, we have End Well. Yeah, I person name the End Well.
Hallelujah, praise the Lord.
Okay. Hello, End Well.
Start well.
Yeah, they do how far now?
I start well now.
I don't park well now. Where you park?
Start. May you start well. Now they talk.
As your name be End Well.
As your name be End Well.
You go park well now.
We don't park well. Oh, you talk.
Your own name and they do well. You go park well.
We go continue.
Hello, they do?
We don't hear you talk.
I don't know what's not to discuss, but I say my just hello now.
Okay.
We inhale you.
Yes, I say my hello now.
We inhale.
Now your first time to call the show.
We do.
Oh, no, they enjoy.
We did.
End well.
How the 1st October now, how on a flat time?
How the 1st October now, how on a flex time? The guy don't end well. Faith from Bayelsa, good evening. Start well, please.
Hello, good evening, Edu.
Hi, Swiri. How is you?
I'm fine. Are you with the man?
I am with you, my sister in the Lord.
Are you with the man?
Yes, Tito, I'm with you all the way.
Fine, now they complain. Everybody complain. It's a very easy thing for me to do.
Okay.
Ask me how now. If you ask me
how. And now would they ask you how?
As easy as ABC. For night, I will come they act like a banja, they worry me first. Maybe the guy go fear. But if he loves me, go just leave me, lock me for room, go pan or go stay. The next morning, if I wake up, sweating, I'll tell him, they say, bro, say, you know, sir, I love you well, I make my they tell you this kind of thing. The first man we proposed to me, that's what we do, he die. The second one, that's what we do, he die. Third one, fourth one, bros, now you the fifth one, no. So you know what you go do.
My sister, God will judge you.
You are a very wicked woman.
You are very wicked, Faith.
I am a first-time caller, actually.
Oh, yeah, wait. God will will judge you. Faith, you will not make heaven.
But it's true now. That's the easiest way. That's the easiest way.
But wait, Faith, you talk as if you don't do this thing before.
I never do it before, but I plan to do it very soon, sir.
What did the man do
for the
you?
relationship again.
What did the boy do you now?
Nothing they come up for the relationship. Now different story, bad things that they hear from the guy.
How many years would I don't follow?
Nothing they come out like say no money.
Money say follow, but you know now, money na number one part of the reason.
You know the well.
And number two, you know, Sabi do the mathematics. You know now, you know what I mean.
My sister.
I can't they cheat. Now that one bad part.
How many years would I don't follow myself?
Only like just 8 months, yeah.
Yeah, and you don't, in us, you see they go collect 8 months. The first month you go collect, he's with you. Second month, 5th month, 8, he cannot quite there. Very, very soon. In that you go 10 years.
The manager, because there was some little fire coming out from, but now, no, the money, no, they come. Do, you know, they do. Nothing.
My sister, you will not make heaven.
Please call us again on Monday.
We even 10 times before you even go off.
You will not make heaven. Bye-bye.
You take time before you go bath.
Bye-bye.
Take time before you go bath.
Another biasa babe. Maybe this one go now. We're putting the poison. This one go talk. Morning.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. Good evening, you too.
Hello, good evening.
Morning, good evening. If not you, what do you go do? How you go take break up? You be like person will be pro.
I'll just see where it happened before.
Okay.
So the girl, they already applied for traditional marriage.
Okay. Yeah? Would they hear you?
Old friend, just call. Okay, let's go to give me the last one. So he told her friend, and her friend accepted. So when they reached, he and the old guy went to the hotel.
Okay.
Her friend now went to call his husband to be. So as 2 of them just come to the hotel and see 2 of them. So the man nearly to mad.
Hey.
But unfortunately, the man who holds himself, is by his grace of God, it's not easy. It's not easy.
But now the guy plan them like that.
The guy, the other one, the guy that is dating before, said, let's go and give me the last one.
Hey.
So she accepted.
But
you know when the devil, if God is planned for you, devil is on the corner.
Wait. Now she won't break up with the man?
Yeah?
She won't break up with the man?
No, Bante, no, in no one break up with the man. In yours one go for last minute wiping.
Hey, one for the road.
Yeah, yours one for the road. You think one hook.
Now that kind of they call me. That kind of they call now Fuaka. One for the road.
Then in friend can't go call the husband to be saying, yeah, come and follow me. Come and see what you didn't see in all your lifetime. Ndukwe say, Joy, this worry dude. The guy gets 0 joy, yo. He say, Israel say, you need the grace of God in all your decisions. Marriage is an institution for a lifetime, my brother. Father, how do? Father?
It be like say, organ they do, Madam Cathy, for my own case, I just reduce communication. God help me cut them off. Okay, don't talk. And then they do, it be like say, this guy don't need serious way out. As for me, in fact, in suppose call family people, let them know in plans. Then ice prince, and then it is hard.
Yes.
But I believe if a woman can be harsh to hide her attitude, men, a broken relationship is better than a broken marriage. Make the guy sit down with the girl, tell him the reason why he not do again, end things. Not in anger, but in maturity.
Some of those things don't work. Whether you end them in anger, or whether in maturity, whether in gentility.
Gentility or babyility.
All one join.
Anyway, before we go break, first of all, disconnect every activities when they get together. Careless reduce the calling. When she they complain, tell her the cocoa. Will they come back? No, now guys, they want to say, so after you've used me, you now want to dump me. But you see, girls, I think they talk, eh?
Yeah.
Now girls own, where are my phone? Now girls own, and wicked pass. Is it, call me, okay, may you form the guy. I want, now me be the babe now, I want to break up with you.
Yes.
Okay. Call me.
Yeah. Hello?
Hello.
No, hello, babe.
Hello, babe, what's up?
I'm alright.
Where are you?
Duh. My house.
Why are you saying? Okay, fine. Have you eaten?
Yes.
Okay, I was wondering. You didn't even call me today. What's going on?
I was busy.
Now, wow.
Are you okay?
Are you okay? This one you're sounding like this. What's going on?
I'm okay.
Now, wow. Where you there?
I've told you before now.
Girls, wicked. You come end call.
You can't do like this. What's going on?
You couldn't under. Hey. What is going on? What is going on?
In the funny part, you called and I say, I'll be calling you sis now. You didn't see my missed call. I saw it.
I saw it.
I don't have credit.
So you didn't bother to call me back?
I don't have credit.
Why?
Also.
Are you lost?
Oh, God.
I'll call you.
No, but you didn't bother to call me back today if
Guys,
I'm
they do have-
okay.
no, but
Today,
guys-
wait, now babes, we get back.
No.
You did not bother to call me back today if I'm okay.
Lady, I dey support ladies very well.
Now, guys.
But on this note,
I'm walking.
on
Now,
this
so you go
note-
carry your portmanteau, your handbag.
On
My
this note,
sister,
if
forget we guys are wicked.
If girl come your front, just cry for you. You go calm down.
Yes.
Guy, even if you dey die, you go irritate the girl. She get look like this one.
I beg. JKKS Lemons, he say, and they do faith from Bayelsa and Nasikla. At least it's easier for babes to break up with them. Them not they consider your emotions at all.
He get some very wicked guys. We go just come tell you say,
no,
I'm sorry.
Normal
say,
guys.
They go always they bring like, I'm sorry. Say my mama no.
You know when they are not me pass. You know wait. Now
guys.
Now girl go come meet you. The girl go tell you okay. Now you be the baby and say, baby, actually, the truth is, I think we should take a break. Like, I mean, this is not just working for me like right now.
Now the girl they talking.
Now the girl, I think we should take a break so that we can know where we are, and then if things get better, and then we can come back together and make things work. The guy go say, no, baby. It's not.
Don't push it.
It's not you.
It's not you.
Don't push it. Don't push it.
It's me. It's not you. I'm trying to work on myself. The guy go say, no, but baby, no,
Don't
please,
push
don't push it. No, but baby, please.
Say, I don't hear situation where man go call nothing do the girl they loves that nothing do relationship. He just call the girl say, say we today quarrel, we today so I'm thinking say maybe we take break. I'm serious. I'm thinking we should take a break. Why? No, I think we just need time.
We need time
if
apart.
possible, we date each other, we date other people and all of that. It don't happen to me.
It don't happen to me.
It happened to me. You know that column? It happened to me.
What you call you too?
Let's date other people. Let's date. I said I date other people. How? What
bang
happened?
down.
But me do bad
But
thing.
I don't want to date other people now. I don't want to date other people.
You can stay home. Don't worry.
That one is stay home. Anyway, double toilet to all of now. We don't call us on top of the show today. Thank you to everybody who don't call us for the show today.
Thank you for all the tweet messages.
And then on top Twitter, on top everywhere, thank you for everybody who don't follow us talk. The guy when he be safe get this issue, my brother, you don't see him now. You go follow Ben. Oh, where say make you pray, or the one where say make you buy car for him.
Or you go follow Joseph from Warri.
Or from Warri own, or follow the other one from Abuja, Stanley. Where say go carry and go outside.
Or you go even follow Faith.
Or you go follow Faith from Juju.
For night you go just they do.
God of his anger.
You go just say, Baba.
Anyway, until Monday, we'll be coming our way again. We're gonna make sure that I get better weekend. Double toilet to everybody. Double toilet to everybody. And when they be saying they behind the scene, one under the scene. Sharply, Big Bash, everybody. Double toilet to all of them. Well, good night till Monday.
If you're not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.